Here's a surprising fact. Some of the most focused and successful people don't care about sports at all. Not because they're boring, but because their brain works differently. People who don't obsess over sports usually protect their attention. They don't hate sports, they just don't let emotions, wins or losses control their mood. Instead of spending hours watching someone else win, they invest that time in learning, skills, or rest. Their dopamine comes from progress, not scoreboards. They also think independently. Sports culture is built on identity. My team, my city, my pride. These people don't attach their self-worth to groups they didn't build. They prefer personal goals over borrowed excitement. Another key trait? Emotional stability. No obsession means fewer emotional highs and crashes. That steady mindset helps them stay consistent in studies, work, and life, even when others are distracted. This doesn't mean sports are bad. It means you should choose what deserves your energy. Ask yourself, does this activity recharge me or distract me? Protect your focus, because what you give attention to slowly shapes who you become.